Abuna mejebu, danger, command danger, motor, acharan lebu.
Mitumina.
Kutamba imejebu, I want the daddy ko babu, acharan lebu. Oga weti one by toko. Mutuminka. Nai kamade mutuminka.
Na kusini na kami na asuru English na so ma Hausa. I want buy Suya.
How much?
You go to testing, I put in how much. Odo dry.
Very. Kutambe imejebu, I want the daddy ko babu, acharan lebu.
Put on pepper now, put on pepper.
Okay, pepper. If you want something to go pepper, you go for hospital. You don't get diabetes. Don't be here they taste pepper. Nga udo bossy. You come buy meat, they two put on pepper. Pepper go finish. How much is cup of pepper for market?
This one a fat. Give me normal meat now. Give me normal meat.
This one na fat.
Fat.
So yeah ne babu damuwa. So yeah kwamas. So yeah ne babu damuwa.
Give me better Suya now, okay? So too much. Give me better Suya. Give me. I want buy Suya. Give me better Suya.
Salt too much. You should say you brush. Because some days organ now this thing why I give you now? How salt to come take now?
It's too hot.
Yeah.
This one for testing.
Oga test. I need to go on the test.
Give me from that one. Give me 3,000 naira.
How much?
3,000 naira from that one. Where you give me last? Give me
3,000. Is that how much you want?
3,000.
Money?
I don't give you money now.
Which money you give?
Maybe I give 3,000. No.
The 3,000 where you give me, all this one where they had the chop since now how much? You know, now that one where you chop, I give you one, salt down. Second one, fat today your body. Third one, pepper pull am. Fourth one, gishiri yawa. Fifth one, I really do was an area. You chop and finish. That one are free. One stick of Suya don't finish for your testing.
Okay, give me Suya 3,000 naira. No.
Oh, guy, you don't chop 3,000 gold. If you want buy Suya, give me money, make I give
Now my street is there. I go who do you?
If I like, make I do on top of your grave. I know they look face. See, I know the other people when they go buy meat for their hand, they go to look on. Only Igbo can.
Okay, you're going to Suya.
Only Igbo don't join Suya.
Give me 3,000. I'm not buying it.
Maka, if I know roast your meat here, I come with card. That's all that they.
I can give my money. I don't want to buy again.
You carry longer throat to the wakara and waiting you kill your papa. Okosa. Up and walk here and chat. You want anaconda. Go nigga, get out to get out to fat. You come here, come open belly like woman we born pikin last night. And I hear my collector. We are legacy. You can't test meat. You go Lifeway Laboratory and Diagnosis Center. Okay, you don't chop 3,000 gold. If you want buy meat, give me money. I'm a hunger. If I know roast you, come on your shit.
You be like say person never beat you.
La. You be like say person never roast you before. The back am. EMG naka. Nkemji kao. EMG naka o. Obukwa mweje ba no. EMG naka. Agere ka no Suya. Okay, I can't get money. You will love your map. Okay, test it.
Can't borrow the gas now.
Yeah.
Go see this 3,000 way shop. You see this 3,000 way shop. Make get global. The last 3,000 straight take you away. You may go food go weapon. I go food go weapon down sir.
Akapa monye wo yin go nya Hausa. Owo tun dey saga children of nowadays. Igbo man don't they say Suya. My own go dey different. I'm manya cars. If you test, you pay. You go test run. If they make test run, testing the microphone. The test yala 3,000. I'm ala proving good. Business you can talk about. Outside people will teach me this business. You go better for now. Sweet business. I go learn another one. Hey, when I do West Anunkuko, when you go carry wallahi. Parashi abu yayi sama how. I test Abia, we go to collect money for test. If you stand the look, we go collect money. All this ones just stand here, they look. Cash and carry. Nonsense people. If they test a test touching, when Pagolo Mago test here before a lawyer. Hey, I'm dry, Katapachi. Me are dry fasting. Ijuwa. Mafon kafuku. Ibu kwafa. Ike bita. Kanga ye wono ye. Anganum kanga na ngoba. Wayoga Allah ukawo godiyemu agaban Allah nawa.
Aboki.
Godiya ga Allah.
Aboki, how you doing now?
Okay, please mind yourself. Who be Aboki? Who be Aboki? None of the respect face. Who be your Aboki?
This is Aboki where they wear a car. You be Igbo.
I be Igbo. You call me Aboki, I be your friend. How you go just come inside, you come person shop, you go call
Is Aboki abuse?
It's not an abuse.
Aboki means my friend.
Am I your friend? That's the question.
Okay, no problem.
You came to buy something that doesn't make
I don't
you
know
my
why
friend.
you're aggressive.
I beg you two, why are you being so inquisitive? Acting like as if you don't know what you're doing. You dress like Igbo person, we're supposed to get sense. You got the reason from us.
I know they see where Igbo man they saw Suya. Now why you the vex?
I don't break the
Outside
record.
people they calm down.
I don't break record. I no break calm down.
Because I'm no guy beg God.
How I no go? Now I'm nigga. Your mama meet na be this no be anom.
How much did they sell your meat? Why you they insult me?
How much did they buy your meat? Why I'm not going to insult you?
Waiting they wrong with waiting I ask you? Why they
Wetin
insult
no
me?
dey wrong with waiting you ask me?
How much be your meat?
How much be your meat? Which kind of nonsense?
Okay, how much be your suya? I'm not sure I can beg.
Beautiful. English is all long way. How much be my meat? You don't go. You were a vampire. You be vulture.
How much they sell?
Okay, this one 10,000. 10,000. This one's when never done na 20.
Not be so Hausa people they sell.
How did they take seller?
This one's not supposed to pass 300.
I go for Hausa peps and go buy them. Nana me they say come out your winch with your hand. Carry your musu hand.
Give me testing first. Give me testing.
No, make me vex so. Take one gonna carry. I show you nigga. Take.
Give me another one.
Another waiting.
Give me more testing. No be so outside.
Okay, you come lab. Go you do laboratory ever name test. If you carry sickness, go for lab. Go do sickness. Go do lab test. No be here they do test. I don't give you test. He say give you another one. You come for Saraka.
No be so outside people they do this. Why you vex?
Na him be.
If you don't know the business, come out hand.
I not be Hausa person.
Outside people they give test. They give test.
Test.
Eh?
Test abi. 1 + 1 again. I want test you. 1 + 1.
2.
3 + 3.
6.
18 + 18.
You man look
Answer. Get out of this.
Give me a business. You make a shop. Okay? Give me this thing. Let me. Okay, give me 2,000. Give me the 2,000.
I go give you. Go for my family. Pack everybody. Go to my kindred.
Now, for job, I make Igbo people know they sell this thing.
Go and work na phone for apa. Now you make I no one sell and give you. Okay, come on here. Carry your bad luck. Come out here.
You know, you see, you know, go sell one. If you sell one, make a bet.
If you buy one, make I.
No person go buy from you. This attitude.
In the black like a back of bomb.
Come on, red cap.
Come on, Abri back. Idiot.
You know, see what go do.
See in black face. Black monkey, one can rob your papa. You don't know say I dey wise. People know they say see. I don't they sell am. There be another test. Idiot, you carry sickness where you go hospital, go test yourself. Oh no, to see am keep better test. So oh yeah, syphilis tabu okwedu. Idiot of no in comparison. Una go chop isi nego, chop onye nwere ego. Test. Mgbakwuka. Bye yo. Bye problem.